butchered. Here with us is the OPPO A92. Now, we had already cut it apart and split the touch from the display, or we had actually removed the LCD touch assembly from the top glass. So in the previous video we did a screen separation. Now we are in the last stages. You may be asking me, how are we here? I took the glass that I had and the screen that I had cut for bonding together, because I do not have the vacuum pump that keeps them pressed together as the adhesive bonds them. And you may notice that because of the fragmented glass, certain particles were able to cut a line there, and then you can notice here. So those are some of the marks of the things it has gone through. But we refurbish this phone nonetheless, and this is the final stages. We are bringing it together. Right now it's not yet sealed. It's just that I had to test it while at the store where bonding is done. Now that we are here, let's separate the two and use permanent glue to put it together. And as such, we may need to be a bit careful, because for some reason this normally tends to spill over to the edges, so there's some little bonding effect that it tends to have. And so we lift this and prepare it to sit. In the beginning, we went through a breathtaking operation of performing a screen separation without damaging the LCD, and at least I should say we have registered some success coming this far. We need to lift this battery out and disconnect the connector to our screen assembly, and then lift this. So there's some little extrusion at the ends from the glue that we had earlier on used for bonding the glass and the LCD together. Anyway, let's just proceed to put these two together, because I would like to trim off the excess, and then we glue this to that. Alright, I'm trying to push away this adhesive from where I would want the bond between the screen and the frame to be, and that's what I'm doing for now, to push it out of that surface away. And we come back.